Corvette hop. Thank you for watching. Normally I do videos on Corvettes, modifications of Corvettes, but today's a little different. I've been having this unique problem with opening my garage door. I would come home, open the garage door, and only after a few minutes I would not be able to open it or close it again. In fact, I would have to wait 5, sometimes 10 minutes before I can close or open the garage door again. You would be amazed in what I found out was the problem. I hope you enjoy the video. The garage door opener that I use in my home is a Tremblin Whisper Drive Plus that has a 3/4 horsepower motor. This is the problem that I was experiencing. Once I opened the garage door, I would then try to close the garage door by pushing the remote control inside the car. The garage door would no longer close, or vice versa. It seemed to happen every time that I open or close the door. When I tried to counter it, it would take 5 to 10 minutes to close the door. It almost as if it was overheating or something was preventing it by some type of signal, or one of my remote controls were out. So I went on to troubleshoot. The controller inside the home would work fine, but it was directly connected to the motor by wires, so no remote device was used for this item. I then looked at all the remote control devices. I went ahead and reprogrammed all 4 remote control devices and changed all their batteries. This did not fix the problem. Then I moved on to the wireless keypad. The old keypad needed to be replaced anyways because the numbers on it were very difficult to see, even though it's still lit up at night. I put in a new keypad, reprogrammed it, changed the batteries in the keypad. Again, it did not fix the problem. Then I remembered, in an effort to save energy in my home, I replaced many of the light bulbs with LED light bulbs, to include the garage door opener. I went ahead and started to remove the LED lights and replace them with normal light bulbs. To my surprise, this fixed the problems. Why was the LED lights preventing the garage door from opening? Well, apparently, when I opened the garage door, the LED lights would illuminate, sending the signal out, preventing the remote controls from operating. Once the light went out, after 5 to 10 minutes, then I was able to use the remote control devices again. Thus, problem fixed. Now, let's see if the problem is fixed. Simply by removing the LED lights and replacing them with the standard light bulbs, all of my remotes now work. That includes the remote on my visor in my Corvette and the keypad remote that I removed and replaced from the old one. Problem solved. Simple fix. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe in the right hand corner.